Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and click on it. As you can see, this pop-up will show up. You need to select Agree in it and go back into the Tab menu. So now as you can see, location of my device is enabled. If you wish to disable it, click at the same icon and just close this time. But you can also go into device settings, choose location and simply manage it by clicking on the switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!